Sometimes a person needs skilled nursing care, and the Brothers of Mercy has a unique approach to long-term and palliative care. As with all of our services, the medical, social work, therapy, and nutrition experts work together to create a loving environment that supports the entire person. A person, not just a patient. Whether you visit our beautiful chapel, see our therapists at work, or speak with the residents and staff, you will see the care that the brothers first envisioned when they came to Buffalo over 100 years ago. You will see love in action. And isn't that the kind of care you want for your loved one or yourself?
The Brothers' motto is "The charity of Christ urges us on." So we carry out their mission. The Brothers started by taking care, to the best of our ability, the residents that we're entrusted to take care of. Even though our facility is a little bit of a larger facility, that we still have that hominess and that home touch, and they can entrust their loved ones with us because we will care for them as if they're our family as well. It's the best kept secret at Brothers, the activities department.